This is the Tesla Model 3, and it has a very long history with this wireless charging pads. Well, there is no fuse. First of all, there is no fuse for the pads, and there are no traditional fuses in Tesla cars, so no traditional fuses at all. So you can't just replace a fuse and it will start working. No, unfortunately, this car doesn't work like that. If it stopped working just now, probably this is the e-fuse problem. So you can actually wait for 90 minutes, about 90 minutes, and this pad may start working again. Because if it was overloaded, the software in your car will cut power to it, and this is called e-fuse. So the e-fuse will reset itself. Or you can try the 2-button reset, press the 2 buttons and hold them for some time. Or you can also reset your car from controls. Go to controls, then go to safety, and then scroll down, power off, confirm power off, and sit in the car. When the screen goes black, sit in the car for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and after that press the brake to start the car again. It will start, and it may start working because the system will also reset. Also, I know that smaller phones will not charge in this pad because they just the pad doesn't see them as phones and doesn't send power. So people put pencils here and put their phones on pencils, and then they start charging. Also, if you have the case, the sticker on your phone, magnetic sticker, these chargers may not charge your phone. They may charge your phones and you will have no problem, but they may not, and sometimes this is the problem. So take off the case, take off the magnet stickers or whatever you have on the phone, and try charging it like that. These are not the highest quality charging pads in Tesla cars, unfortunately, so yes, you may need to adjust a little bit. And also, if nothing helps you, unfortunately there are a lot of issues with these charging pads, and they were replaced under warranty hundreds of times in every dealership. This is a very common problem. You may ask any Tesla mechanic, they will tell you. So what you need to do in this case, if nothing works, no adjustments works, no reset work, you just need to make an appointment with Tesla and replace this charging pad if you actually need it. If you're not under warranty and don't use this function a lot, maybe just use it as a shelf for your phone, and just don't do anything, because the charging pad will cost you quite a lot of money, and labor will not be as cheap as you may expect. So no fuse, unfortunately, but I hope now you understand the problem better.